Okay, since I'm still house sitting, yeah. Happy first, everyone. Let's open. I think I should be using the scissors on here right now. Oh wait, hold. His opening is this, since it's the closest thing near me. Oh, see what it says. Hmm. What? Okay. That's apparently important. Yeah. Okay. We'll do a version. Okay, the first thing is roundabout or arrowhead roundabout. Retails for $14.95. That's actually a thing because I actually like arrows. I would use this, honestly. It was funny. I've always wanted this because it looks so interesting to me. Yeah. Yeah. Next is another my mini surf and turf card. Note, you can't have too many of these. Personally, you know. I believe it says fishing arrow. All that. So yeah. I actually like getting these. Looks like it's an arrow heavy today. 1995 that retails for. Next is tip card G2 how to make a magnet. Hey, that helps. Wow, they're actually in order this time. How to make a magnet. And on the back, bam. So yeah. That retails for $185. This thing I have right here that is it has a QR code on it. I'm gonna scan that. Next would be tip card. I think you pronounce it as fish for how to make a fishing rod. That is very handy actually. Then an improvised hand casters. Wow, this is really a post-apocalyptic box. And of course, you get one of my favorite business cards from them, the spool one. So yeah, that doesn't retail for anything. This one's members only discount is for buy one get one free hook and lure roundabout. I will be using that code by the way. This is for August 2023. Happy 1st, everyone. I will admit, I might actually carry this one. Since I actually might carry this one since I have my, I'm using one of my slingshot sling bow things. And I have like, now I have 3 of these. I think. Do I? I don't know. I'm going to carry it anyway because it's handy. Anyway, y'all. I'm going to say, like, do I expect sometimes duplicates and like these I got? Yes. Does it bother me personally as someone who pays for the subscription? No. Because remember, of my one of my survivals, or puppings, you know. Okay, this is a fish arrow right here. It says it's a gig. Let's just go over here. The surf and turf. Um, what I might do is I might get the roundabout. Well, a few of the roundabouts since I have a few of these. Yeah. Yeah. Um, and hey, with the one thing, with the testing thing, bam! How to make a magnet. You isn't that amazing? I'm gonna say it's amazing. You know, that for $20, you get a decent amount of stuff that's actually good quality. You know, I can tell this is good quality. You know, that would be really nice. So yeah. Anyway, um, I I like this subscription this month. Yeah, it's an arrow heavy subscription, which I like. I like arrows. So yeah, I'm probably gonna be rest of the day probably looking at this, fascinated with it. I'm not gonna lie. Anyway, like, subscribe. Happy 1st. Peace.